TRANCO machines are designed specifically to enable transformer and core manufacturing facilities to maintain production at high levels. With a single TRANCO and MTM production line, you can count on no unscheduled interruptions and fast quality output. With the TRANCO ease of scalability, it means that you can add a second line without having to substantially increase the footprint of your manufacturing operation. This is due to the ease of operation that TRANCO machines are known for, which means that you don't need to increase your manpower to maintain your production output. One person can efficiently operate 2 TRANCO machines. So without increasing your manpower costs, you can achieve upwards of 17,000 pounds of core production per machine in an 8-hour shift. That's over 2,100 pounds per hour. TRANCO and MTM machines work well together to achieve exceptional output. Optimize your core production efforts for maximum profitability without compromising on quality. TRANCO and MTM, partners in core winding solutions. 2 familiar names, 1 great solution.